So now the new technology.
No.
Okay.
See, then you are going for insertion type.
Just see, my question is very simple. If you are going to put insertion type inside, I need to have bypass.
Bypass with the wall.
Yeah, that complete provision. And if you are having on the clamp on, I don't need it. Then you need to confirm me what is the type of flow transmitter you are going to put.
Right.
Insertion type or clamp on type.
Okay. Instead of experimentation, now the discussion is going on with the supplier in the Dutch. Let us to see. We will come back with a
Okay.
Put the comment there.
Yeah, I will put comment.
Yeah.
Magnetic cannot be, our engineer, they are saying magnetic cannot be clamp type.
Cannot be planned type, and from that we.
So let me take recommendation.
We will see.
Cannot be.
Right. Let me take recommendation. No? We'll take recommendation.
The recommendation.
Yeah. We'll take recommendation. I think this is a genuine point.
They know this one.
Flow meter. What is tag number? Flow meter tag number?
FM 401 and
FM 401.
401 and 402.
Bypass with the wall system.
AM 401 over 402.
402.
Okay. So Ahmed, maintenance.
This flow meter is like the same size.
So we'll make B, C.
Same.
Okay. Now take recommendation.
No, that.
Review. Provide. You provide.
And from the client.
Because you said
Provide bypass.
they reduce.
With wall.
Reduce.
And they-
In case using the
Yeah.
system inside.
Yes,
In